Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about the latest update on the how to top up Poppo coins for less or best Poppo live coin deals. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, let me show you my current Poppo live coin balance. As you can see, I only have 6,500 coins at the moment. Now let's close the app and open the browser. I'll be using a website. You can find the link in the description below. Once you're on the site, browse through the available packages and select the amount of coins you want to buy. Next, enter your Poppo Live user ID. You can simply copy it from your profile and paste it into the form. Then enter your email address, preferably Gmail, so the order confirmation and delivery can be sent to you. After that, choose your payment method, BTC, LTC, USDT, or any other supported crypto, and click Confirm Purchase. Now, open your crypto wallet. You'll need to add funds to your wallet first, and then send the exact payment amount to the address provided by the site. If you're not sure how to use cryptocurrency, how to top up or make payments via BTC, LTC, or USDT, you can search for a tutorial on YouTube or Google, or let me know in the comments below and I'll create a dedicated video for that too. Now I'll complete the payment and I'll return once the transaction is confirmed. All right, the payment is done. Let's open the Poppo Live app again and check my coins. As you can see, the coins have been added successfully. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.